it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm ready. I'm going back to Mumbai, and today I have an event to attend that's at Adidas. Then I'm just going to Mumbai. So I thought it was quite an eventful day to vlog a day in my life video. So yes, I'm doing that today. I'm ready right now. Our flight was supposed to be at 7:35, but it just got delayed. So we're before time basically. So we'll be leaving in half an hour or so. So yeah, I've packed my stuff. I just have to zip it up. I'm so sorry for the messed up wardrobe. Before I leave, just a quick OOTD. This is my outfit of the day. I am wearing my Topshop denims along with these Turkish Paris flats. I am wearing an oversized shirt that's from Aeropostale along with this patch thing that I attached to it, and just a tank top inside it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we've just come downstairs. Hi Dolce, good morning.
Good morning.
It's so pretty. Look at her bun. Just come in some light, man. Just show your bun.
How do I show it?
Rotate. Yeah. Look at her bun. I like it so much.
This is how we show our bun. Just rotate to 360 degrees to just freaking show your bun.
Yeah. So we're ready, and it's still dark outside. Oh my god, what's with the lights? Yeah. So because the lights aren't on here, that's with the lights. So yeah, it's still dark outside and we're ready. Our luggage is going out, and before I leave I'm just gonna have some hot water. So I've already poured some water for me. I'm just gonna put it in microwave and drink some hot water. Recently I am not that health conscious. I do not do good stuff. I don't take care of my body that much, but I have recently realized that it's really high time that I should. So this is the most basic thing that everyone should do. Drink a lot of water, which I do not. Some water for me. We're on our way to the airport. I cannot. And the mood has to be spoiled. But anyway. With such a lovely song, it's like my current favorite after today. And it's such a beautiful way. I'm just on my way to the airport. Mornings are so great. Like, I usually don't see them. Usually don't unless I'm shooting or I'm traveling. So yeah, that's it. So I'm now heading for the airport. It's good to see such mornings sometimes. Yeah, you should. It's really nice. Once in a blue moon, that does happen. So we've landed in Mumbai. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I'm just
and I gotta hold this camera.
So yeah, I'm quite tired. And Dolce, are you tired as well?
Yeah.
No, you're not that tired. You had like a good night's sleep. I did not.
Yeah, oh good night means 4 hours.
Why are the airport's so cold? Like, why is it so cold at the airport?
At 4 and got up at 4:30.
4:35. I got this extra 5 minutes bonus. But yeah, and then the flight, whatever, got delayed or whatever.
Because she procrastinate every time we travel. Every time. So it's like her luggage.
I was working. So now I am at Grandmama's cafe waiting for my breakfast because we were super hungry and I wanted to sleep though, but Dolce was like bugging me since half an hour. So let's go somewhere. Then we went to this place called Bombay Salad. It was shut because we were before time. So yeah, we've come here and I've ordered some hummus and pita, so I'm waiting for it. So yeah, but by the way, she was bugging me since so long that she wanted food and she's hungry and she really needs breakfast, so we cannot sleep and stuff. And then all she orders is like this lemon iced tea that has arrived here for her. So yeah, her lemon iced tea is here, and that's all she ordered after bugging me for an hour. But yeah, I've ordered hummus and pita, so yeah, my food is here. There's some hummus and pita along with some Caesar salad. Yay, doggy. Hi.
Hi, in a meeting.
No, wait, hold on. I need to click a picture. Hi, just keep it back. Keep it back. The right angle. Perfect. Thanks. So yes, we're gonna binge on. But before that, we'll be taking a picture. ready for the event. I'm going for an Adidas event right now. I'm not really sure what is it going to be about, but yeah, it's going to be hopefully a lot of fun. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black choker with this. This one's from Zara. I posted it. I talked about it in my Zara haul. Then this dress is a blazer dress from Vero Moda. Then there's a chic badge that's from Primark, and my rings. These are my current favorite rings. These are like on the silver grey stones with these very pretty stones. So I bought this set from Westside. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. So I just got a message when I'm halfway through that we were supposed to wear stretch pants, which obviously I was not aware about. So now I am already halfway through, so I'm not gonna go back and change. So yeah, I'll be going like this. So I've reached the Adidas event, that is the Not Done campaign, and it is a lot of fun. There's a lot of music happening. It was really high pitched, just like 10 seconds before, but it just got a little better, and I think it just got worse again. But anyway, I hope you guys can hear me. So yes, I've changed into this stretch pants and this carpet t-shirt. I think it's really cute. And I'm wearing my own shoes that I wore with my blazer dress. So yes, and that's it. And I'm just gonna show you guys around what's going on. Really nice. I had a lot of fun. The music was bomb, and it was a lot of people. It was quite chaotic. And then there was some Tai Chi session that I recorded a bit of it, but yeah. And then I really like what I picked from the Adidas store from the Never Done campaign. So yeah, I'm wearing that, and now I'll be changing. So change again. Now I am at the mall shopping right now in Charles & Keith. I don't think I'm buying anything from here, but let's see, I'll go to Zara after this and shop something hopefully. So I'm done with shopping. I shopped quite a lot. There are 2 more packages. Let's just pass it on. So there's quite a lot of shopping that I did today. So I'm gonna try and do a haul video as soon as I can. But yeah, before that I'm really hungry. So let's go and eat something. So we left from the mall and we had a lot of stuff. So we just dropped it at the hotel. But before leaving, we thought that we won't be going to the hotel, so I just changed at the mall into something that I bought from there. So now we're heading to Gastronomy. That's a cafe, Chemistry Gastronomy 101. So we're going there for dinner with a friend of ours. So yeah, and I've heard it's a really nice place. This is my first time there, so let's see how it goes. So now I have arrived at the Fuzzy Cafe because the last cafe that we went to was apparently shut a month back and we were unaware about it. So yeah, we've come down to Fuzzy Cafe for dinner and we're waiting for our friends to arrive. So yeah, we're gonna order some food and have fun and go back home and edit my video. Yeah.
Big Bang. So this basically represents a galaxy, a smaller galaxy on a plate. So in this smaller galaxy, this is the sun.
Oh, it is actually a galaxy.
What? This is amazing.
And in our galaxy, the sun is frozen. That way. So these are the planets, you can call it.
What is this?
Blueberry cheesecake.
Who would tell looking at you that you eat so much? Nobody would.
And
Sorry, I don't eat desserts. What are you even talking
You
about?
don't eat desserts? Okay.
No, I don't. I'm really
Just
confident.
10 seconds after I shut this video, you'll be busy like
Hogging on it.
totally. So now we've left from the Fuzzy Cafe. It was good food, but not very great desserts. At least Zoya wasn't happy with the
Hi.
desserts. Hi.
I wasn't. Hi.
Hi doll.
Hey.
She's doing this like for goddamn
Or
20th
the
time.
10th time, yeah.
So yeah, food was great. Desserts were fine. Now we might go and search for some better desserts because
Are we?
you wanted to.
We can totally.
So yeah, let's see if we find some. If not, I'm just gonna end this vlog here because I'm super tired. I have shoot in the morning. I have to wake up really early. So yes, that was a day in my vlog. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. You can watch my previous videos somewhere around here and subscribe to my channel. Tap that picture of mine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.